Hey buddy, I got bored, so I started cleaning on your tank a little bit. I think it turned out pretty nice. It's not perfect, but definitely a little more shiny, a little nicer looking. And I got the top part of your fairing done. Up here I didn't get down there yet, but there's some scratches in there that I'm scared to go that deep on. It's because I'm not that good, but you know. Oh, and then I worked on your trunk lid a little bit, you know, and if you get it in just the right light and look, there's still some scratches and stuff in there, but yeah, you can see them a little bit, but it's coming out pretty nice.
Other than oil.
Oh, it's just nasty shit that's been floating around in my drain pan forever.
Oh, yeah.
Not too bad, looks pretty clean.
Oh, he dead sexy. Root beer. Synthetic.
I don't know what's going on yet, but it's not right. Somebody been in your case before and it wasn't me. Yeah, it didn't pull the threads out of it, so that's good. Whoa.
Yeah. I want to go say hi to, you know, Rat's 50,000 friends.
At least.
It's just a waiting game.
Yep, just waiting for the last to get out of there. Come on, dribble.
Come on, take it.
Take it all.
That's right. What's that? Where's the Harley dealership over there at Sturgis? It starts with an R, I think. After Sturgis, there's a big town on the other side.
Yeah.
I don't remember. Ain't that right, Lori?
That's right.
Got your six, Gary.
How's it going?
Yeah, just getting started.
G-Rat, Rathbun. So, Jimmy, how many beer job is this?
Oh, it's about a 3 beer. 3 beer job.
3 beer job.
Not too bad.
Oh, and down it comes. It's awful pretty in there.
Yeah, not too bad.
Except for that gasket.
Yeah, we got it.
Oh my gosh, you could really smell that.
Yep, burnt clutch.
It's burnt up. Yeah, it's torched. Lori, you're awesome.
Thank you.
Indeed. Show me your bike. We don't have to start it or nothing. So I remember what happened last time.
Don't do that to me.
We won't do that again. So what did these do?
Look pretty?
Are you sure?
Yes.
That's it?
Positive.
You're positive. You know
Sometimes they whap me on the
you know what
arms
those
when I
were
ride.
actually made for?
No, not really.
Okay, this is the teaching moment. So, an old riding buddy of mine, a guy named Gary Rathbun, he told me one time, those are for when you're riding in the rain. These little things wick back.
Oh, they wick the rain off of you.
They wick the rain off of you, yeah.
It was in my bag.
What's that?
It's on my Kershaw.
Oh,
It's in my bag. My niece gave me this for Christmas.
What is it?
Kershaw
It's a Kershaw.
pocket bag. It's a nice one.
strange place to keep it.
Nice.
Well, you never know, and I think I brought it out to use it when I was putting the tape on my thingy bobber. You know, my doohickey.
I mean, they're very plain.
This one's got big.
That's what I like. That's what I like about them.
I like just low key. I don't like
You don't like
big
gaudy.
in
You
your
just
face.
like
Yeah,
kind
I
of.
just like low key.
Kinda
Like
feng
these,
shui.
you know?
Yeah,
they
they
look
look
nice, but they're not all sparkly and shit. It was smooth at 110. It wasn't wobbling at all.
Right.
And my other bike, 110 was the top on my Nightster, and it was doing this when you got it up there. It was a little scary.
Right.
I did it, but it was scary. But I like to go fast.
I think I've only had my bike at about 110.
Really?
Yeah.
It'll go faster than that, won't it?
I think it probably will if I weighed probably, 50 pounds less, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. Hey, there I am in your mirror.
Hey, look
In that
at
clean
you.
mirror. Hey, greetings from Gunner.
I seem to have lost my Allen wrenches.
What about your Richard wrenches?
Pretty.
What be that?
This is the top of your clutch housing.
My clutch what?
Housing.
Oh,
And then
housing.
Here's your discus.
Oh, look at that. Look how ugly them are. SMR, ugly SMR.
See that bluing on there?
Oh, yeah.
That's from getting wicked fucking hot.
Okay.
That's not good. Actually, the clutch discs themselves, I mean, I don't have a mic. You can mic them to see exactly how worn they are. They're supposed to be a specific thickness, but they don't feel bad.
Okay. There's a bundle of them. Let's just hit it with a chisel, smack it with a hammer, and see what happens.
Bigger hammer!
Yeah.
Hammer!
Bigger hammer.
It's like trying to pick a dime up off a glass coffee table. You just can't do it.
Beer!
I brought you this one.
Oh, thanks.
Yay,
Much obliged.
Bear.
Cheers.
Cheers to you.
Always soak your friction plates in oil before you install them.
And what kind of oil?
The same oil you're going to put in your primary.
All right. Alrighty. So you do the, what's the difference between those?
Well, one has the friction material.
So one of them's not friction, the other one, and so you put the,
This has the material on it that grips when you release the clutch.
okay,
And it grips under the pressure of the spring to the steel, and that's what engages your drive and makes you go bye-bye. I know there's a spot somewhere you'll fit in there.
there it is. Gonna put some hair around it.
That would help. Unfortunately, I don't have any left, so. There you go.
There you go.
A little bit messy.
Yep.
While you lubricate, it's important to hydrate.
Hydrate while you lubricate. All right. Combination.
That episode of Seinfeld where he kept the sandwich in beside the bed, and he's doing, and he'd come up and have a bite of sandwich and go back to what he was doing.
Oh,
Come on, George was onto something.
right. George.
That works.
Yeah. And what kind of oil is that?
Sin 3.
That's just straight Harley Sin 3?
Yep.
All right. What's that other stuff? Was that for your,
The gear oil?
yeah.
Yeah, we were running that in there. I was trying to be cheap because it's 20,
So what
20
were we
bucks a
running in?
quart.
Oh, 20 a quart?
Yeah, it's pretty expensive, that gear oil, but it definitely, I'd recommend it in the transmission. It seems to make everything shift smoother. 140/80. That stuff.
Oh, yeah. 8140. Cool. What's all that yellow shit?
I don't know, I think it's paint.
Paint?
It doesn't match, but that's what it looks like to me. It's probably designating what stiffness this particular spring is, I would guess.
Huh.
Like a red spring is more, and a yellow spring is less, that type of thing.
So there's no designation on that at all. It's just, you know.
Most of the time on springs, on clutch springs, they do them by color.
Oh, okay.
Forgot I wanted to try to get all this icky old oil off of here. Shit stinks.
But that's a spring, right? So it's got to keep pressure against that, huh?
Right. I think it goes like that. That's what happens when you drink too many beers while you're working.
No, you know, when you're working on something, it's like the less hands in your path or your trajectory, the better.
Right.
Which is good for me because I don't know crap about what you're doing. That's why I've been asking you questions this whole time and drinking beer.
Hey, stay with what you're good at.
Ouch.
Because as you make more horsepower or torque, it takes more clamping power to make the clutch grab. An 80 cubic inch engine isn't going to need the spring pressure that, say, like the new 117s do. They make a lot more torque. They need more grab in the clutch to make you stay engaged.
Expensive ones. 'Cause
Sometimes.
what's that Harley bolt cost right there? About $100?
That's what HD stands for, $100.
$100.
Yep. It's got the HD stamps, $100. Need a spark plug? $100.
Man takes pride in his work.
Shiny things are awesome.
Yeah, I wish he was going with us to Sturgis, man.
Yeah.
You will be missed.
Maybe next year.
Right on.
Maybe next year. It's all timing for me. You know how that goes. Right?
Do it. Let's go, old man. We ain't living forever.
I'm gonna. Well, what's your plan?
Yeah, my plan is to live now. I ain't waiting for forever.
No. There, that's better.
So we call Jimmy, his nickname, his biker name is Chef. And that's because, number one, he cooks along the road at Mach speed. And also, the guy knows how to cook. I'm not kidding you. He smoked a brisket. How long did that take you?
We did a 16-hour smoke on that pork, on the 16 pounds of pork butt for the 4th of July.
Yeah, best pulled pork I've ever had. Okay,
You know, and we smoked that brisket for 12 hours.
Yep.
Should have smoky flavor by 12 hours.
So this is what Vikings do on their day off.
Yeah, no shit. We work on shit. We lose our tools. Some kind.
The fifth kind. You're an alien, man.
Yeah. Bada boom.
Big bada boom. What is it? It's Li Lumini
Shit.
Lakatariba Lamina Chai Ekbat de Sabat. You got something shorter?
Lilu.
Lilu. It's really weird when, you know, a Viking says homie.
What's up, homie?
What's up, homie?
Homie, buddy, dude.
You expect to see him raise the horn, you know what I mean? Back in the old Sunrun days, up at Chemeketen Campground, right up over Galena Summit. Had a lot of fun back in those days, man. 90s. Good time.
Good time. Life was a lot simpler back then.
Yeah, that's when I met Rat.
We're back in the 90s?
Yeah, back in the early 90s. About 93, I'm guessing. I don't know whether it was, what was that, Sunrun 4 or 5? I don't know, I can't remember. So this is coming out before Sturgis. Can't wait to see everybody up at Sturgis. We're gonna have a good time. Yeah, check out Gary's YouTube channel. That's G Rathman. Yeah, another guy that I want to make a shout out to is Mr. G, and another fella, a guy named Augie. Can't wait to meet you, brother. This is the second time I told you that, so you better believe me. Gonna have fun. Gonna spend about 5 days out there. Well, probably more like 3.5. So get your window, come see us. We're gonna be, I believe, at Hog Heaven. So stop by. And this is Gunner signing out. You have just witnessed the great Chef replacing a clutch on a 2013 Road Glide Ultra Touring Edition. That's FLTRU if you're curious. And yeah, we're gonna go out here in just a minute and roast them, see what happens. I'm sure it'll be beautiful. And if you're curious, this is the model that I'll be riding. Looks like 100,000 other bikes, except for this right there. You got a coyote and a skunk. Oh, shoot, where's my skunk? Did your dog eat my skunk?
No, man, you didn't have a skunk. You had a coyote and
Man, you're screwing it up for me now. I didn't have a skunk. I had I had this. This is what I had.
was there when you put them on? There was no skunk.
No skunks.
Sorry, brother.
No, it's a raccoon.
First
Anyway,
of all.
long story short, look forward to seeing you guys all. Take it easy. Gunner signing out.